Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my channel, welcome to the streamlit series. This is the 11th video. In this video we are going to learn about three properties. The first one is checkbox. Here you can see, if I click on this, it is popping out great. So this is the work of checkbox. And the second one is toggle button. If you on this button, it will show that feature activated. And last of all, we have created a text input where you can input any text. So we have created a text input called movie title. Let me put a movie name, that is Money Heist. Actually it's not a movie, it's a series. So if you press enter, it will show the current movie title is Money Heist. So how can you implement these three types of properties? Okay, so this is our code. What have I done here? Before starting it, if you don't know how to run Streamlit on Google Colab, you can watch out the first video of the series. The link will be in the description. So what have I done? I have imported Streamlit as st. Then we have created a variable called agree. We are doing the work of this one check button actually. So we have called st.checkbox. In the checkbox we have passed a label, a command actually. Yes, I agree. You can change it. If I remove that part and refresh it, you can see the text side of this button checkbox has been changed. Okay, so here you can also change thanks, and if I refresh it, when I will fill this checkbox, it will pop out thanks. Then we are going to learn about this one active feature, that is toggle button. Okay, so for that, what have we done? We have created another variable called on. Then we have called the properties st.toggle. In the command line we have given it activated feature, that is showing here. You can change it. Let me remove feature, and if someone click on that, it will show st.write feature activated. If you don't know what is st.write, the link will be in the description. You can check out that. It's a huge functionality. Okay, feature activated. Let me change this one. Now feature activated. Now if I refresh it, you can see it has been changed to feature activated to activated. If I on this, click on this, then feature activated, now it's displaying. So now come to this third property, that is text input. Okay, so in the text input we have created another variable, that is title, and st.text input we have created a movie title, that is showing here on here. And in the text input we have created life of Brian actually. So if you remove it, you can also pass null value. Just refresh it, it will not take any default values. Okay, now let's say Temple Run. Hit enter. The current movie title is Temple Run. Okay guys, and this is just a command. The current movie title is, we are passing the value of this variable that we have created. Okay, and we are passing this variable through this text input. So this is all guys. The code link will be in the description. You can download it from my Google Colab. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. And if you want to learn more about Streamlit, more properties about Streamlit, then you can subscribe to my channel and watch out the full playlist. So this is all guys, thanks.